fruit custard. One liter of full-fat milk. Half tsp of elaichi powder. Sugar as per taste. 2 tbsp of custard powder. 2 tbsp of milk. Start boiling the milk. Stir continuously. Mix milk with custard powder. Keep stirring the milk. Add sugar and mix. Add elaichi powder. Add custard powder. Mix it well. Cover and cool it. Custard is completely cooled down. Transfer chilled custard in a bowl. Add chopped apple pieces. Add pomegranate. Add chopped cherries, chiku, green grapes and banana. Mix all the chopped fruits with the custard. Garnish with cherries, dry fruits, and fruits. Enjoy delicious fruit custard. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.